Welcome everybody, I am Andre LeBlanc, New York City camper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking at the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops, model number 245. Now this is a 7-inch stainless steel folding knife with 3.1-inch serrated clip point blade and an aluminum handle for outdoor tactical survival and everyday carry. Now the weight is listed as 3.5 ounces and the blade is made of black oxide light carbon. Now it has a finger flipper which allows you to flip open the blade, and it has an ambidextrous knob, so you can either use the left side or the right side to help you open up the blade. Now I'm in New York, so this blade is the only blade that you can, well, one of the few blades that you can actually carry in New York, because they do not allow switch blades or certain other type of blades. You can not even get any of these blades mailed to New York. But as you see, it's easy to open because you got the little thumb switch in the back. You give that little push and it helps get the blade opening. And it also is a safety feature also, so that the blade just doesn't fall out. Now you have a little inside piece here which allows you to close the blade, but this is kind of difficult to get it to work properly. You really have to get your fingernails in there to push it to the left or right, which allows you to close the blade. So it's not easily done. Now the tip is serrated so you can get a grip on it to push it to the side, but it's not easily done. Now of course you can snap the blade open once you're able to open it just a little bit. You can snap it open, and it's I guess this is done for safety reasons, so that when it's closed it doesn't fall out, it doesn't open up inadvertently. But as you see, this clip is deeply in there, and you really got to stick a fingernail in there because it does not stand out of the blade handle. Now I did test this on a few items to see how sharp this blade was. I can't say it was really sharp. I mean, did put a cut in there, and I was trying not to damage the blade in any way. But as you see here, it has the clip here, which allows you to put that on your belt. Now it's a really stiff clip, so you know you really got to push in there to open it up, so that you can put it on the belt handle or put it on your pocket or whatever the case is. Now you can't flick it out there. You basically have to push this thumb stick in there to get it started with the opening process. Now this blade is you can't take it on an airplane or anything like that. It's too large. Well, in fact, most blades are, but this one in particular is too large. But it's a nice quality blade. Can't go wrong with it. It gets you through your everyday task. Depends on what you're looking for. Now you see I try to cut some paper. It cut the Amazon paper up, but it didn't slice directly through. It didn't go like through like a hot knife through butter. Did not do that. Now you see it. It's about the size of a cell phone. So I have a Note 9, and it's about the size of a Note 9. It looks really good. The color is great. You can really grip the handle really good. It has a nice grip to it. As you see here, they have the name on the blade, Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. So you can use this item in your everyday point of life. Put it on your clip, carry it around for you. You need to cut something open, you can. And as you see, it is the size of the cell phone, maybe slightly bigger. But it's really compact, especially when you close it up. So, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Andre LeBlanc. You just seen a review of the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops blade. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
PSB, I just wanted to give the streets a little something, a little freestyle. I haven't been in the studio in a minute. Yo, shout out to my man Tracks, we out here. Yo, Trap Daddy, I see you, Yo, now you doing your thing, yeah. Let's get it. Yo, listen.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
You get the bag, flip it, I get the bag, running and double it. My pink ring got fluttery, chain dripping so ugly. I'm the Iceman, no fudgery.